What's up, gangbangers? We're gonna do some slime today. What's up? Let's do this.
Essay.
So let's do this essay. Let's get right into it. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up? Gotta get my
What
golden
the fuck
gloves.
is this?
I gotta get my gloves. I may murder somebody today. Let's go. Here's the glue.
Okay, this is mine.
This is mine, you dumb 4-year-old.
Some 4-year-old, then you, I guess you pour your glue in here.
Oh yeah, I can do that. I can't even take this off because I got gloves.
Look at that.
Wow. That's crazy. They move these things out of the way. Whew. Yeah. No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You're wasting glue. We're
I don't
poor.
care.
No waste glue. We're poor.
Hey, you're not going. This is a waste of glue.
Nah, this is some.
So what the fuck is that? Shiny, bro. You done? Hurry up.
Oh look, how to play karate with glue. It goes on
What
full
is
of
this? What is this for?
glue. Put it on there.
A lot?
Yeah. Wait up, say something for me.
Fuck. Yeah, look at that. You're not gonna be able to touch anything else because you're fucked. See, I can do this right.
It's spilling out. No.
You're gonna get on your iPad.
No. Can you move it out of the way?
No,
Please.
you do it.
I can't. Look
You're
at my
Mr.
hand.
Genius. Oh, I'm gonna use gloves. But what's the point of this?
To make the.
Do we put a lot?
To activate the slime.
Do we put a lot?
Just put how much you want.
I'm just letting it. I'm just letting it.
Oh, my spoon's in there. Look at that, bro. Like
I'm
5.
gonna let Jesus take the wheel. I think that's all he wants. Me to support.
I think he just wants as much as you can
Don't
get.
we gotta put water too?
I don't care.
Damn, bro, that's why your shit's so fucked up. And then you mix, and you mix, and you mix. Let me add some water. I think it's thirsty.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Mine's thirsty.
Let me get some.
Stop! She's not that thirsty. Oh, shit. Oh. She had an accident. Why the
Oh, I
fuck?
need some more borax.
You already put a shit ton. Dude, my shit's starting to look nasty. This is definitely something you can do with your kids.
Yeah, never succeed. How to not make slime.
Now, this is gonna be a great tutorial for people.
How to not make
How to
slime.
not make slime. You can make sticky glue. Hey, stop! Jamie!
I'm gonna grab some of yours. Right over here.
Disgusting motherfucker.
See if it works now.
Don't work like that. Oh, that shit feels so good.
No.
Look at that.
Yeah, because it's not made
Look
yet.
at that.
Does it stick to your hand still? Yup, it's not working.
What the fuck? So,
Let me get some of this.
guess it didn't work. Stop laughing. Look. Oh, this is slime. Look, how's that not slime?
Slime doesn't stick to you.
Yeah, it does. This one does. This is sticky slime.
No, there's no such thing as sticky slime.
How do you know? We just invented a new kind of slime.
Because
Look at this. Oh, shit. I think we fucked up somewhere.
Somewhere we messed up. I don't know.
I really thought I had it, but I guess not.
Yeah, I gotta eat wipe my face.
Dude, your shit's starting to smell. Dude, if that shit blows up, I'm gonna be pissed.
Boom! The sticky slime.
It's called the sticky slime. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this, look at this. Bam. Ain't that just gorgeous? Look at that.
That thing's ugly.
Spirit fingers. Yours just nasty.
When in doubt, add shampoo.
That shit looks so, it feels good. Really?
My hands are so freaking slippery.
I think I'm done. I'm done with this project, bruh.